In this video, we'll walk you through the recent enhancements made to our picking and packing workflows in Oracle Cloud WMS, specifically how post-packing transactions are now seamlessly integrated into existing task types. This enhancement improves efficiency by eliminating the need for users to exit tasks to perform post-packing transactions manually. As part of this improvement, we've introduced these new task types and allocation types to better manage different picking and packing scenarios. Here's a quick overview of what's new. LPN units. Tasks that allocate and pick individual units from a license plate number. LPN packs. Picking and allocating tasks at the pack level within an LPN. LPN cases. Handles tasks for picking and allocating full cases within an LPN. NC active pick. Active picking tasks that are not container-specific. Non-container active pick. Useful for dynamic picking operations. Full container. Tasks involving the picking of a full container, or LPN, as a single unit. Full LPN pallet. Designed for handling tasks that pick and allocate a full pallet, treated as a single LPN. Let's get started. In this step, we initiate a wave using a pre-configured wave template specifically designed for full LPN allocation. You can see the detail in the allocation mode and in the order detail screen. You can configure the wave template to run the full LPN transaction. Within the wave template, attach the task creation template that includes the newly added post-packing transaction. Ensure the task type configured here matches the one in your task type setup. This ensures that when the wave is executed, it triggers the allocation process and generates tasks according to the defined sequences and task types. By executing the wave, the system initiates the allocation process based on the wave template's rules and parameters. These tasks are created following the predefined task types and operational sequences configured. The sequence determines the order in which tasks are performed, such as picking, staging, packing, and loading, while the task type controls how and where these activities take place. This means the system will allocate entire LPNs rather than picking items individually to fulfill the quantities ordered. Please confirm if you want to run the wave. Next, we navigate to the Wave Inquiry screen to monitor the status and progress of the wave we just launched. This provides real-time visibility into the wave's execution details, such as wave number, status, total picks, allocated quantities, and any exceptions encountered. Since this is a full LPN tasked flow, the system generates tasks where users will pick and move complete LPNs as directed, rather than handling individual units. Here, we'll be briefly reiterating the required configurations and focus on the new enhancements. Note: we're using the full LPN task type as an example to demonstrate these configurations. When creating a task creation template for full LPN task type, ensure you assign the appropriate destination zone if required. We have also added the post-packing transaction to both Sequence 2 and Sequence 4 within the task type configuration. The reasoning behind including it in both sequences will be explained as we proceed through the demo. Before proceeding further, let's review the post-packing transaction screen parameters. We've configured the screen to Prompt for LPN type, Prompt Label Printer, Column Ordering, to print the shipping label. You can print labels with the updated values. These screen parameter configuration showcases what is being updated and demonstrates any additional actions like loading or manifesting and/or output file generation, and other updates that you can configure before executing the task. You can view the OBLPN label types in the column ordering screen, and put-away type determination rule is also configured. Now, the wave already ran and allocated the order for full LPN allocation mode. Let's execute the task. Invoke the Execute Task transaction from your menu. Scan the task number generated from the wave run. The system will guide you through the task sequence. First to the Pack OBLPN transaction for packing full LPN allocations. Then seamlessly to the post-packing transaction. In the post-packing transaction, scan your OBLPN. Enter LPN and update the new LPN type as required. Provide label printer. System will then print the outbound labels configured or generate the OBLPN shipping information. Continuing to the next screen, which is OBLPN put-away transaction. The final step is to enter the load number to which the OBLPN is loaded and click OK. Once the post-packing updates are done, in the Task UI, you may monitor the updated task details. In the OB Container UI, you can check the updates. The label is printed to email. Note, it can also be printed to a configured physical printer. This provides confirmation that the post-packing updates have successfully reflected across both the task and the OBLPN records. Post-packing capabilities recap. This video demonstrated updating the LPN type and printing the label. Post-packing transactions can also be configured to perform other actions such as load assignment or manifesting, generating output files, and more. Thank you for watching this video on post-packing support for existing picking task types.